Hi, I'm Sandeep Raghuvanshi. I'm here in Tirupur, the manufacturing destination for fashion, the textile industry. Most of us don't even know where exactly our clothes come from, and this is a place where you have more than 18,000 factories manufacturing garments for all over the world. I'm here to make sure that we bring the conversations on sustainability beyond these conference rooms and big cities into exactly where it matters. 80 to 90% of the footprint of this industry lies in the supply chain. This little town of Tirupur, right here, has 18,000 manufacturing facilities employing 800,000 workers in these facilities. When we talk about sustainability, this is where the change is required, and hence Loop Initiative. Loop Initiative is an initiative that we have started to bring together the different people from different walks of life, the sustainability professionals working in the corporate companies, working in solution companies, working in academia, and other interested groups. Because when we talk about sustainability, we are talking about multidisciplines, and that knowledge base is not available where it is needed most. This initiative's attempt is to bring together that knowledge base in one common platform from where we can channel it in an effective manner to actually improve the performance both on environmental aspects and social performance. So we are kick-starting our Loop Initiatives programs from Tirupur because sustainability doesn't need just lectures and theories. Sustainability needs role models. And Tirupur is one of those industrial clusters which have demonstrated a certain amount of leadership in how to achieve sustainability through collective action. We are here to begin with these leaders to identify what has already been done, to identify what those goalposts are that these small manufacturers should focus on, and then how exactly can they achieve that by filling the gaps in their knowledge and awareness, as well as providing them the tools with which they can analyze various options that are available to them, as well as develop their own action plans. So our first action is to garner support from various industry associations. My first stop is Tirupur Exporters Association, an industry body that has more than 1200 exporters in its membership.
And what we see in the past 2 years is the way in which the domestic is growing. I think it outweighed exports. So a lot of issues have cropped up in the Brexit issue. If we are doing around 12% of our exports to UK, it's a huge market for us. So internal capabilities, okay, on this one, and this will be your external environment. Okay. Committee, and that ethics committee generally looks around the world for which kind of sectors or companies they should not be investing in.
Okay.
So they had early
ஸ்டோரிஸ் ஆஃப் குட் ஸ்டோரிஸ் ஆஃப் சஸ்டைனபிலிட்டி ஸ்டோரிஸ் ஆஃப் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் கிளஸ்டர். நிறையா ஒவ்வொரு இனிஷியேட்டிவ் நிறையா அதில் வரும்.
That is another thing. Then again, what is stopping my country to be a leader of this world? That is the biggest question always. EPs and we ensured about 95% of the industry, our industry, are discharging only clean water into the river. Okay, the same point. Is now Noyal clean? No, it is not clean. What happened?
வணக்கம். அழகிய மணவாளன் எனக்கு வந்து இவர் திரு சந்தீப் ரகுவன்ஷி அவர்களை அழைச்சிட்டு வந்திருக்காரு.